This is a 2015 Chevy Cruze 1.4 turbo Ecotech, whatever. If you're like me, you could be having a problem with the purge valve. It'll make it run weird if it goes out, you know, if it malfunctions. It'll make it sound like a diesel maybe even, and start throwing your codes. Anyway, this little guy right here, that's what you're after. I'll show you how to get it off real quick. It's pretty easy. Basically just a couple of clips. This guy right here. We'll get this one off first. Pull this little red thing out. I think little push pin right there. This guy right here, we'll get it off next. Just squeeze this, it pops right up. Then this slides off. It makes it easy to get this clip. Just get it. This little clip likes to shoot off when you get it, so be careful. Just pull these apart and it slides off. This is not loose. And that's what you're after. It's a pretty common problem for these to go out on these cars. I've had to change mine 3 times so far. Not sure why, but runs good when I change it. It's good gas mileage.